Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to delete your playlist on Spotify mobile in this video. Let's get started. Open Spotify on your device. Tap on your library at the bottom right. Here it will show you all the playlists that you made. To delete your playlist, tap on the three dots at the right side of the playlist. Then tap on Delete Playlist. Tap on Delete again to confirm your action. And that is how to delete playlist on Spotify mobile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.